This video is to show you how to review volunteers' requirements, if they've completed them or not. So we're going to go into Ministry Platform. Now we're going to start over to the left. You'll see this menu may look a little different than yours. You're going to go down to People List. You're going to double click on People List, open up that folder. Then you'll see there's a group participants. You're going to click on the group participants. And then we're going to go up here to the view, and you're going to click this little caret down in the drop down to go down to volunteer requirements. Now, if you do not have access to either this people list, the group participants, or the volunteer requirements, just put it in a ticket to the help desk and let them know you need it. Okay, so now we have all our volunteers by campus, by group name. And then you'll see over here, there's a column for covenant signature. So if they sign the leadership covenant, if they've done the CVAST training, that's the next column. And then this one is background check. Okay, so say for example, if I want to look up Hollywood, I would type in Hollywood campus in the search engine. And if you do not see these search buttons, you would click this little caret right here next to the eyeglass. That will either hide this or show it. So you'll see that Hollywood now, I have all of Hollywood volunteers. I can go further and say, I want to just see the cafe volunteers and type in that. Well, we have Sandra's our only one, so we're going to take that off so we can see all of Hollywood's volunteers. So from here, I can now either sort it by the covenant signing. So if I want to see, if I click once on this, it will sort it by most recently signed to least recently. Or if I click it again, it will then sort it for anybody who has not signed, will be at the top. Same thing for the CVAST. If I click here, it will sort them by who has not. And if I click again, it'll sort by the most recently completed to the longest, farthest away. This also can be changed. So say if I want to see all the people that report to Gustavo Garcia, I'll put in here Garcia. Here are all of Gustavo's volunteers that report to him. I can select all of them right here. And then I can also export it. When I export it, you'll see there's 17 selected. I click this down arrow, I hit Excel, and then I hit export. And then in the bottom left hand, you'll see it starts to export an Excel file. And then you can send that to Gustavo so he can see his people. So that's about it. I hope this helps. Yeah, just let us know if you have any questions. Email volunteerhelp@calvaryftl.org.